Hey folks, I have another order here to show you. Turn it wrong way. It's from Purdy and Fig. Right, so this is their cards. If you want to read that, just pause it. It's the same one. And this is just a little booklet telling you about the fragrances. So there is Balance and Floral, Ground and Vetiver, Uplifting Citrus, Juniper and Cardamom, Lavender and Calamine, Patchouli and Cedarwood. Oh, it looks so beautiful. So these are glass bottles, which is just amazing. No more plastic. I'm going to get rid of all the cleaning products that I have, all the chemical cleaning products, because they're just negative for the environment, negative. And who wants to have about 20 different bottles of different cleaners? Not me, it takes up too much room. So there's just no need for it. So you get one with a silicone base in it, which is perfect for the bathroom. But I love the glass bottles, and these feel really quality as well. It comes with two beautiful soft cloths with Purdy and Fig written on them. They're a lovely sage green as well. I love the colour. And we have, what's this? Dispense several drops into the loo bowl after flushing. Add a few drops to the basin to refresh your whole bathroom. Oh, so this is a toilet. Void loo. Ah, right. It's lime and lemongrass. So, like I said, you put a few drops into your toilet. Dispense several drops into the toilet bowl after flushing. Add a few drops to your basin to refresh your whole bathroom. I can already smell it. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, that lime and lemongrass. That's beautiful. Can't wait to try that. So that's got to last ages, because there's 100ml in there, and it's just a dropper. So that'll last a good while. And now, lime and lemongrass bathroom bliss. That's what these are. Oh, hang on, I'm getting a call. I'll be back in a minute. Right, I'm back. Right, here was the bathroom bliss. That's in here. Will do. Oh no, there's all the counter cleans. So these are bathroom bliss. Got the writing on that, it's tiny. Oh wait. Hang on. Right, unscrew cap, pour the concentrate into your Purdy and Fig bottle. For life, fill up with fresh tap water to 300ml. Refasten trigger for life and shake. Right, it doesn't say how much of this, because I'm sure these ones are just 10ml. Unscrew cap, pour concentrate I'm positive it was 10. It's 10 mils. 10 or 20, maybe 20. Oh, wait a minute. Right, these are 20 mils. Right, that makes sense. So yeah, so you pour a whole one of this into the bottle and then fill it up to 300 mils. Basically fill up the bottle. So yeah, so this one is the Balancing Floral. Yeah, that's nice. Not my favourite, but yeah, that's nice. Not too strong either. This is Uplifting Citrus. That's nice. I was never a citrus fan, but yeah, that's nice. Sorry, I never showed you. This one is the Balancing Floral. Then we have the Grounding Vertier. Yeah, that's really nice as well. Yeah, I'm excited to try these. There's step 1, pour the whole 20 ml of the concentrate into your bowl for life. Fill to the neck with tap water, gently shake together, spray onto surface and round the hole and enjoy it. And find it quite enjoyable. Sorry. There's a cloth in there, on there, bottles. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try. I'll let you know how we get on with it.